Everybody in chainsaw world, this is my Solo 656. I just put a decomp valve on it right there because it just eats pull starter parts. This is the poorest design in pull starter parts. I had to order 5 of everything because every time I use it I have to replace the dog and all the mechanisms in there are plastic. They just self-destruct. So I figure if I take some compression out of it when I start it, maybe it won't self-destruct. But anyway, I square filed the chain 20-inch bar. I'm gonna go through this piece of oak. It's my friend John. That's his cute little granddaughter. Hello. And put this phone camera right here and fire this bad boy up. Fire this bad boy up with the decomp valve.
Come on, I know you're gonna be.
Pretty good for a little baby saw.